Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Spotify password on phone. Firstly, you need to get up to your home screen on your Spotify application, and then you need to go on the settings bar on your right upper side. Right after that, you need to scroll down and get up for the selection on about section and get up to the supporting team. Now you'll need to wait to get up to the main page on this point of the video, and as you can see you have four options or four solutions which are on the top bottom on the Spotify supporting theme. Now you'll need to go and select the first one, can't reset password. Then you need to scroll down, and what you need to do next is get to invalid password reset link, and you go for reset your password with an underline. Click on it, and here you'll need to add your email or your username, and right after that you'll need to confirm that you're not a robot, and then they're gonna give you a chance to reset your password. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.